This tutorial will discuss how to read PDFs in OCR C#. Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on using IronOCR to extract text from PDF documents. We'll explore how to extract text from PDF documents using IronOCR in C#. I've already installed IronOCR using the NuGet package manager, so let's just dive into the code. So to get started, we need to set up our environment with IronOCR and other necessary namespaces. First, ensure that you have your license key set up for IronOCR as shown in the code snippet. This is crucial for initializing Iron Tesseract, our OCR engine. Next, we instantiate Iron Tesseract and prepare to read a PDF document. In our example, we're reading from ironpdf.pdf. We initialize an OCR PDF input object to specify the PDF file we want to process. Once set up, we perform OCR using OCR tesseract.read, (PDF input), and this extracts text from the entire PDF document. Then we print the extracted text to the console using OCR result.text. Now, let's explore some more advanced scenarios. Suppose we only need text from specific pages of the PDF. We can achieve this by specifying page indices in a list, like 0, 2, and this restricts OCR processing to pages 1 and 3 of the PDF file. Next, we'll create input object using OCR tesseract method, but this time, we'll also pass the page range as input. Then we perform the OCR operation on the PDF pages and print the extracted text to the console. So in some cases, we might be interested in extracting text from specific areas of each page, like forms or tables. We define rectangle objects to represent these regions. So for example, a new rectangle, 10, 10, 600, 300, defines a region starting at 1010 with a width of 600 and a height of 300. So using OCR PDF input with content areas to set our scan regions, we perform OCR one more time. This time, OCR tesseract.read, (PDF input 2, extracts text from only the specified area within the PDF document. So here's the PDF files that we will use as inputs for this example. Let's go ahead and run the project and wait for the output. All right, and all three different outputs are visible in the console, and you can see them clearly. By running these examples, you can see how IronOCR provides flexibility in extracting text from PDFs, whether it's an entire document, specific pages, or a defined region. It's really a powerful tool for managing PDF data programmatically. Hope that you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. To get started with IronOCR, please sign up for a trial on the site and continue to download and install the package and experience the power of software firsthand. Go ahead and click the link below in the description. Check it out for yourself.